Ultimate Guide for Beginners on Using Chatbots to Enhance Email Marketing Campaigns in 2024. Step 1. Understand the basics of chatbots. Definition: a chatbot is a computer program that simulates human-like conversations with users. Types: there are two main types of chatbots, rule-based and AI-powered. Rule-based chatbots use predefined rules to respond to user queries, while AI-powered chatbots use machine learning algorithms to learn and adapt to user interactions. Benefits: chatbots can help automate customer support, improve user engagement, and enhance the overall customer experience. Step 2. Choose the right chatbot platform. Consider the following factors when selecting a chatbot platform. Ease of use: look for a platform that offers a user-friendly interface and drag-and-drop tools for building chatbots. Integration: choose a platform that integrates with your existing email marketing software and other tools. Customization: opt for a platform that allows you to customize the chatbot's appearance, behavior, and language. Scalability: select a platform that can handle a large volume of user interactions and traffic. Popular chatbot platforms: ManyChat, Dialogflow, Chatfuel, and Tars. Step 3. Plan your chatbot strategy. Define your goals. Determine what you want to achieve with your chatbot, such as generating leads, improving customer engagement, or increasing sales. Identify your target audience. Determine who your target audience is and what they want to achieve from interacting with your chatbot. Create a content strategy. Develop a content strategy that aligns with your goals and target audience. This may include offering tips, tutorials, or promotions. Design your chatbot's conversational flow. Plan the flow of conversations your chatbot will have with users, including the welcome message, questions, and responses. Step 4. Build your chatbot. Use the chatbot platform's drag-and-drop tools to build your chatbot's conversational flow. Add triggers and conditions to control the flow of conversations. Use variables to store user data and personalize the conversation. Add multimedia elements such as images, videos, and audio files to enhance the user experience. Step 5. Integrate your chatbot with email marketing. Connect your chatbot to your email marketing software using APIs or Zapier. Set up triggers that send user data from the chatbot to your email marketing software. Create automated email sequences that trigger based on user interactions with the chatbot. Step 6. Launch and test your chatbot. Launch your chatbot on your website or social media channels. Test your chatbot to ensure it's functioning as expected and make any necessary adjustments. Monitor user interactions with the chatbot to identify areas for improvement. Step 7. Optimize and refine your chatbot. Analyze user interactions with the chatbot to identify trends and patterns. Refine the chatbot's conversational flow based on user feedback and performance data. Continuously update and improve the chatbot's content and functionality. Step 8. Measure success. Track key performance indicators, KPIs, such as conversation rate, conversion rate, and customer satisfaction. Use A/B testing to compare different versions of the chatbot's content and functionality. Monitor user feedback and adjust the chatbot accordingly.